Here's a problem you might not know you have. Most AI search tools won't see your content if it's hidden behind heavy client-side rendering. That's a growing percentage of websites, JavaScript frameworks that load content after the page loads, and 40% of search traffic is moving to AI search right now. If your site falls into that category, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, they see empty diffs. Your competitors with Semantic HTML, they're showing up in AI search and taking your leads. Today, I'm building an AI-readable website in 10 minutes using 10web's Vibe for WordPress. The first AI-native front-end builder fully integrated with a complete WordPress backend. Prompt to production. Let's build. Quick context, I tested 3 professional websites in ChatGPT and Perplexity. Good designs, strong Google rankings. AI result, I don't have information. Blank. Why? JavaScript frameworks, client-side rendering, no semantic structure. AI reads raw HTML. Most sites serve empty divs. That's the problem. Now the solution. 10web's Vibe for WordPress. Vibe is the first AI-native front-end builder fully integrated with WordPress. This isn't like other builders. It's not a layer on top of WordPress. It is WordPress, powered by AI from the ground up. You type a natural language prompt. Vibe's coding system interprets your intent and generates production-ready code. Clean semantic HTML, proper heading hierarchy, optimized images with alt tags, structured data baked in, everything AI crawlers need to read and index your content. Here's what makes Vibe different. 1. Vibe coding system. Natural language prompts generate structured semantic HTML, not template blocks, actual code. This means AI crawlers see exactly what you intended. Headlines as H1s, paragraphs as proper text nodes, images with descriptive alt attributes. AI readable from day one. Behind the scenes, Vibe is writing WordPress native code, themes, templates, and post structures that any WordPress developer would recognize. That means no proprietary format, no translation layer. Just clean WordPress you can export or hand to any developer. 2. Full WordPress integration. You're not building on top of WordPress. You're building with WordPress. Complete backend access. The entire WordPress ecosystem, 60,000 plus plugins, every SEO tool, user roles, media library, custom post types available immediately. Want to add WooCommerce? Install it. Need an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math? Done. Connect your email marketing tool, analytics, CRM, payment gateway, anything WordPress supports, Vibe supports, and WooCommerce native support is coming soon. This is real WordPress infrastructure. That means hosting options, migration paths, developer extensibility, everything enterprises and agencies need. 3. AI Chat Refinement. After generation, Vibe stays in Vibe coding mode. You can refine it with AI Chat. Change this headline, swap these sections, make the CTA yellow, instant updates, or point and click, or dive into the WordPress editor and code directly. It's a 3-tier editing system. Conversational AI for fast iteration, visual editor for precision tweaks, code access for total control. Most builders force you into one mode. Vibe adapts to how you work. 4. Total ownership. Export your site as a standard WordPress install. Migrate to any hosting provider. Extend the code base. Hand it off to a client with full admin access. No vendor lock-in. No proprietary dependencies. You own every line of code Vibe generates. This is what I'm testing today. Prompt to production in 10 minutes. Let's see Vibe build a site from scratch. All right, I'm gonna build a landing page for a fake SaaS product, an AI scheduling assistant called Flowtime. Target audience, remote teams, Skull, get demo signups. Here's my brief. SaaS landing page for Flowtime, an AI scheduling assistant for remote teams, include hero section with demo CDA, features section, testimonials, and pricing, modern, clean design, blue and white color scheme. And that's it. Let's see what it builds. 10web is processing the brief. It's pulling in WordPress templates, setting up hosting, configuring CDN and SSL, and building the page structure. Done. It shows me some sections with detailed AI briefs for each. Let me check this. I will use this without changes. I hit generate. Boom. Full site, homepage is live. Let me scroll through. Hero section, headline, subheadline, CTA, features, icons, and descriptions. Testimonials, 3 cards with names and photos, pricing, 2 tiers, footer, links, and social icons. This is production ready.
not a prototype, a real WordPress site. Now let me show you something most builders can't do. I'm going to inspect the actual code Vibe generated. This is where you see the real difference. Look at this, real semantic HTML. The hero headline is wrapped in an H1 tag, not a div with a class-like hero title. The subheadline is a proper paragraph element. The CTA button is an actual button tag with proper ARIA labels for accessibility. Every image has a descriptive alt attribute, floating AI node illustration. That's what Vibe wrote automatically. AI can see that. Screen readers can announce it. This is accessible and AI readable. Now check the features section. Each feature is wrapped in an article element with proper schema.org markup. Look, schema type is item list. Each feature has name and description properties defined. AI knows this is a structured list of product features. It can extract this data directly. And here's the WordPress backend. This entire site is stored as standard WordPress pages and posts with full backend access, plugins, users, media library, all of it. The site itself is edited through the 10-Web Vibe coding editor, which keeps that semantic HTML structure intact. That's how you maintain AI readability while getting complete WordPress infrastructure. I can go to plugins right now, install Yoast SEO. It'll analyze this Vibe-generated page and show me SEO scores, readability, keyword optimization. Everything works because Vibe generated proper WordPress structure. I can customize the theme, change fonts globally, adjust colors, add custom CSS. This is full WordPress theming capability, not a locked down builder. Real WordPress with Vibe's AI native Vibe coding on top. That's the integration. Vibe for WordPress isn't just using WordPress as a hosting platform. It's fully integrated with the complete WordPress backend, generating code that works with every WordPress tool, plugin, and workflow. Now I'm going to refine it using the AI chat editor. Watch this. I'll type, change the hero headline to stop wasting time on scheduling. Let AI do it. Done. Instant. Let me try another. Swap the testimonial section with a features section. Perfect. One more. Make the CTA button yellow instead of blue. This is the workflow. AI chat for big edits. Point and click for tweaks. Code access if you want to go deeper. And remember, this is full WordPress under the hood. I can install plugins, connect my email tool, add a blog, whatever. No lock-in. I own the code. All right, let's publish this and test it in AI search. I'm going to deploy it to a live domain right now. 10Web is provisioning hosting, assigning a domain, setting up SSL, and connecting the CDN. This usually takes a minute. Done. Flowtimedemo.com is live. Let me open it. Load it in under 2 seconds, clean and fast. Now the real test. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, tell me about Flowtime, the AI scheduling assistant. Flowtime is an AI-powered scheduling assistant designed for remote teams. It helps eliminate back and forth emails by automating meeting coordination. Look at that, it's reading the site, it pulled the headline, the feature list, even the value prop from the hero section. Now Perplexity. Flowtime is a SaaS tool that uses AI to streamline scheduling for distributed teams. There it is. Perplexity cited the site directly. That's the difference. An AI-readable site shows up. A black box doesn't. We just built this site 9 minutes ago. It's already indexed and parsable by AI search tools. That's the power of structured, semantic, fast-loading WordPress built right.
So you can go from idea to AI-readable website in under 10 minutes. No code, no hosting nightmares, no vendor lock-in. You get full WordPress control, you own the code, you can export, you can extend it, install any plugin, connect any tool. It's real infrastructure, not a toy. And if you are an agency, 10Web is rolling out white label APIs and reseller tools. You can build client sites at scale, hand off WordPress admin access, and keep your branding. AI search is the new SEO. ChatGPT and Perplexity can't see your site. You're invisible to 40% of your audience. And that number is growing every month. The fix, build AI readable from the start, or rebuild what you have. I've dropped the link to 10Web in the description. They're offering 1 free site to test the builder, no credit card required. So build your site, test it in ChatGPT or Perplexity, see the difference yourself. And if you're worried that your current site is invisible, here's a quick test. Open ChatGPT, search for your business name, and see if it pulls your actual content. If it says, I don't have information, you've got work to do. AI can't read most websites, but now you know how to fix yours. Don't wait, the gap between visible and invisible is widening every day. So link below, build your AI readable site. I'll see you in the next one.